Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. We'll be starting live in a few seconds. This is Carlisle Speaks Wall Street, and today the stock market took yet another massive tumble. Yesterday was Super Thursday. Today is Friday. Wishing everyone a great weekend. We are live talking about what's going on with the stock market. Stock market took a tumble today, but it's been taking a tumble for quite some time. Matter of fact, U.S. corporations, the pool of U.S. corporations, are shrinking. We're going to talk more about that in a second. This is Carl Speaks Wall Street, and we are live. With options, your entire strategy is based on what you... I'm going to give you the fixed protocol. Options Greeks. All right, ladies and gentlemen across the globe, this is Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. And again, yesterday, Super Thursday, a lot of major events happening. We had the UK general election. We had the testimony at the Senate regarding the firing of the FBI leader. And also we had, what was the other event? The European banks as well. So a lot of things happening at the same time. We dubbed that Super Thursday, and now it is Dramatic Friday, and things are not looking too good. We have a lot of topics to cover today, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Let me just make sure that I have the chat visible before we get started. I got some charts visible. We have Eric Wilson listening in. Eric Wilson says, I've been watching the currency, and certainly, and then he got cut off right there, they are falling. Yeah, so let's get right into what happened today. So basically today, the NASDAQ fell nearly 2%, with Apple leading an abrupt tech sell-off. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 0.42% at, not at, but that's a 89.44 point increase. Now, you gotta bear with me. We are live, and that is the beauty of being live. But anyway, let's get right into it. So the S&P down 500, or the S&P down 0.08. Yeah, the S&P is down 500. The S&P is down 0.08% today, down 2.02 points to a finish at 2,431.77. That is a weekly decline of 0.3% on the week. Also, additionally, we wanted to talk about Apple Incorporated. We said there was a big tech sell-off. So Apple Incorporated is down 0.09% today. That's the biggest one-day drop since January 2016. Also, Alphabet Incorporated, or Google, that's the Alphabet Incorporated being the parent company of Google. They're up actually 0.22%, but they actually lost about 3.4%. Now, Microsoft Incorporated was down 0.16%. Amazon Incorporated was actually down 0.03%. Now, the stock market has actually been tumbling for quite some time. This is actually not a new thing. Yesterday was a bad day, but it's been going down for quite some time. Actually, I'll pull up some graphs here. I think I have the graphs on my display. Just bear with me 1 second. So here is a graph. You guys should be able to see this. So if you look at the graph, you can see pretty much how everything kind of rose up to just before the late 1990s. And then pretty much shortly after that, and ever since that, it's actually been going down with no signs of actually improving. So way back before all of this started transitioning downward, there were more than 7,300 publicly traded U.S. corporations. Now, how many do you imagine are out there today? So that's how many corporations were back in the day. But today, there are only around 3,600. Now, there are many reasons for this, and one of them is quite a scary idea to me, and it's that the business world today now seems to lean more heavily on the quote-unquote cream of the crop. So you have a shrinking pool of winners and a growing pool of losers. Now, if that, I sound like Donald Trump, losers, hashtag losers. If you create a good business, a massive corporation simply buys you out or otherwise initiates some kind of M&A event. Now it's mergers and acquisitions. So pretty much it's big dogs only. The small dogs who dare to stand up get absorbed or destroyed by the blue chips and or the market leaders. So on a positive note, perhaps this means it's a good market for entrepreneurs to cash out and get rich off of their genius ideas. However, those individuals will be the exceptions to the rule because this market is growing less tolerant of the second and third place people. Hashtag savage. So what do you guys think? Comment below, and those of you listening to the live stream, I'm interested to know what your thoughts are on what's been going on with the wonderful equities market, which has been on a decline for quite some time. Now, I am going to stay live for a little bit to see what your comments are. For those of you guys on the notification squad, but I do not have much time. I need to get running. I have a lot on my plate. We are still live here today. I'm just trying to find. I got so many windows open. I'm trying to find the window with the chat. The window with the chat. I see we have Eric Wilson listening in. You guys listening to the live stream, go ahead and comment below and let me know what you guys think about this tumbling equities market, and what do you think is around the corner? Are we going to continue on this downward trend, or is there any sign of relief coming for us? I mean, obviously, the economy is sort of a cyclical thing. It has its highs and its lows. Obviously, there's the equities market, just like any market, also is going to mirror that kind of thing where you have highs and lows. You got your bulls and you got your bears. So, you know, the fact that things have been in a downtrend, you know, how long can it continue to go in a downtrend? At some point in time, you would expect for it to turn around. But the question really would be, when are things going to turn around for the equities market? When is that going to happen? And why is that going to happen? What events are going to lead to, hopefully, a upward trend in U.S. corporations and therefore the equities market? Anyway, those of you guys that are live, go ahead and comment in the chat. Let me know what you think. And those of you guys who missed the live event, this live event, you need to make sure you click on that bell icon. You're a subscriber. If not, click on the subscribe button. Go ahead and click on this. Oh, man, I'm dropping stuff on the floor. Click on the subscribe button. You know you want to. And after you do that, click on the little bell icon to the side of the subscribed button so you can get notifications. Notification squad. You guys are going to be getting prizes. I'm going to be giving away stuff. Perhaps I'll be giving away things one day like the Samsung Galaxy S8, which I'm doing a full review on right now. Link in the description for information about the Samsung Galaxy S8. But I'm going to be giving away things, but that's going to be exclusive to the notification squad. So make sure you click on that bell icon so when I upload a video, when I do a live event, impromptu like today, you get notified so you don't miss out on it. You don't miss out on an opportunity to possibly win something. Now, how awesome is that to win something for free? Eric Wilson says, I'm new to the foreign exchange and I pulled my money out because of the downtrend. Oh, wow. The FX market is massive in comparison to the equities market. And I covered that in my FX video. If you want to learn a little about what the FX market is all about, definitely take a look at that video on my channel. I believe it's in one of my playlists. You can simply search on the channel. But massive in comparison to the equities market. However, just because it's a huge market, lots of volume, doesn't necessarily mean that it's the market for you. There's certainly unique risks involved in trading FX. And actually, there's a project that I'm working on where I'm gonna have some FX specific information for you guys. Definitely stay tuned for that. I got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. Eric Wilson says, I need that phone. Eric Wilson wants the Samsung Galaxy S8, and I'll tell you why he wants this Galaxy S8, because it's an awesome phone. It's got 4K HD, fingerprint scanner, it's got an iris scanner, it's got facial recognition, it's very powerful, very fast, amazing screen. I got up to 26 hours of battery life on it. That's an extreme scenario. When you really push it hard, it can go down to about 5 hours, 6 hours, maybe 7 hours. Really depends on what you're doing. But I did multiple live streams. I did HD videos, 4K videos, a lot of just playing with it because I love it. I love it. I love it. It's not perfect. It's got its quirks, which I will cover in my full review. Anyway, you are watching Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. I'll also be doing some more reviews and also giving you some more information about products like my favorite keyboard, the Kinesis keyboard. I got the new Kinesis Advantage 2. I've been using the Advantage keyboards for over 10 years. Information about this keyboard and how you can get one too is going to be linked in the description. So definitely go ahead and take a look at the description box for more information about how you can get yourself a Kinesis 2, an awesome ergonomic programmable keyboard. This is my beast mode keyboard. You can program this thing and it's so fast. The things that I can do with this, it's just amazing. If you're a programmer, you do a lot of typing, you want to get this. This is good for your health and it's also good for efficiency. An amazing product, and it's made in the USA. Anyway, guys, I gotta go. I got a lot of stuff on my plate. I'm very busy. So I hope you guys appreciate these videos, and you can show your appreciation by clicking on the like button. That helps a lot. Also commenting. Every video that I post, you guys that love the channel, you love the content, every video I post, click on the like and comment. Even if you just say hi, say anything, say something. All the engagement that you do tells YouTube that it's great videos, it's great content, and that's going to allow the channel to grow. I'll get more views, and when I get more views, the channel can grow to the point where I can do more videos and give you guys more value. I'm passionate about teaching you guys. I'm passionate about helping you guys to grow and to learn about the things that you want to learn to accomplish your career goals in life. I really want to do this. I started doing this 2006 with a dream. I looked at how difficult it was for some things for me to learn, and I said, why does it have to be this difficult? There has to be an easier way. And I figured out easier ways to teach these things so you guys don't have to struggle like I did. That's when I did the fixed protocol video. 2006 I did that. Then I did an options video, and I've been getting tremendous feedback. You guys love the style, the energy, how easy I make things, how I break things down and make it fun. And then I started doing even more videos. I did FX videos. Right now my database video is the #1 rated video right now, over 500,000 views right now. So absolutely, it's been a tremendous journey, and ultimately the big thing is not about my fame and not about me trying to make money. It's about giving back. I started doing these videos before you could make a dime on YouTube. There was no money involved. The whole goal was to give back. That's always been my mission from the time I graduated from high school. That's why I speak at schools. I do public speaking at schools. I've done it for free for years. I'm actually going to start charging for that. Minimal, not trying to be profitable. It's not a profitable thing. I want it to be a nonprofit thing. Nonprofit doesn't mean for free. Nonprofit just means it's not for profit, right? But you do want some kind of compensation, at least for your time. So I'll be super cheap because, again, it's not about the money. It's about giving back. Ultimately, that is my life mission, to be able to give back. And one of my big focus or my priorities are younger folks. Like from the time I graduated from high school, that was my mission. I felt like there were things that I was not taught in school, and I felt like I wanted to be able to, give back to those behind me, those who are, in high school, about to graduate or just graduated, people in college and stuff like that. It takes a long time for you to figure out a lot of things. There are a lot of things people don't tell you, and I'm like, why should it have to be that way? You can benefit from my knowledge now. That's why I do the videos. That's why I also do the e-learning courses. You can take my e-learning courses online and actually get certified. So you watch these videos on YouTube. Yes, you learn. I see all the great comments. I love that. And that's awesome. I get people writing me and saying, oh, you've helped me to get these jobs. Somebody said he got multiple jobs in investment banking as a result of my videos. I love to hear about that stuff. But bigger rather than just take the knowledge and be able to get the job, Also, if you take my e-learning courses, you can get a certificate. Right, so now you have a certificate, so you can add that to your resume, which would also help you in the job market. Anyway, this is Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. We have a lot of people that are jumping in the chat. I'm going to be responding to you folks in just a second before we end the stream. Once again, I do have a lot on my plate, so I do need to get going, but I will respond to the people in the chat. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Shout out to Notification Squad across the globe. Buongiorno, wie geht's? Buenos dias, buenas tardes. How's it? Buen fin de semana. Buen fin de semana. That's a little bit of my Espanol I need to work on. Anyway, let's see what's going on. What's going on? Eric Wilson wants the Samsung Galaxy S8, and we know why he does, because it's an awesome phone. Link in the description for more information about the Samsung Galaxy S8. I'm going to check more videos out that you have. Peace and love, brother. Love the support, Eric Wilson. Have a good day. Thanks for stopping by. Miss Lisa Blessed O. When Trump stops playing games with the public and stops making people feel uncertain about everything, I believe the market will turn around. Well, you can only hope so. Ashley Neal says, I've been seeing this all week. This channel is great. The Fix Review is a great series. That's Abdi Fatah Abdi. Thank you very much for the positive words. Absolutely love the positive feedback. Additionally, we have Ashley Neal says, I've been watching the foreign exchange market closely. Eventually, it will recover. Well, one can only hope. And Miss Lisa says, I agree. Thanks again, everyone, for joining in the live stream. And I'm going to give a final shout out to those of you that have joined in and commented and contributed. Everyone who is watching right now, click on that like button. It is not for my ego, folks. This is for the channel. YouTube looks at what you guys do. When you watch a video and you don't interact with it, you're telling Google that you do not like the video. So basically, Google says this video is no good and the video does not grow, does not get views, and therefore other awesome people like yourself do not get to benefit from the video. I want to help as many people as possible. To do that, the videos need to get the maximum exposure. I got too many windows open right now. Too many windows open right now. Okay, here we go. I got it. Relax. We got it right here. So make sure, basically, when you watch a video and you don't click on like, you don't comment, you don't do anything, you just watch it and go away, basically you're telling Google that the video sucks. That's essentially how YouTube works. So bear that in mind. If you see a video that you hate, just don't say anything. Just don't respond to the video, and basically Google will get the message that, basically the video sucks, the channel sucks, and that's how it works. So on that note, I wanted to give a quick shout out to those who have commented and contributed to the live stream before we end the live stream. So right here we have, who's in the live stream? Who's in the live stream? We have Eric Wilson. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your comments. We have Miss Lisa Blessed. Oh, thank you for your comments. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your like. I really appreciate it. We have Ashley Neal. Thank you for your feedback and comments and support. Absolutely love it. I'm going to call you Abdi. I'm not going to mess with your first name. I don't want to mess it up. Abdi, thank you for your feedback and for joining in. I really appreciate it. And also, I think that's everybody. All right, so you're watching Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. And on that note, I'm out of here. So have a great weekend, everyone. Be safe. Series right here in Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. Wall Street or financial trading technology. Oh, man. Wow. Options are just like coupons. Sir, Unibrow Alpha Delta Knight. I have two great reasons why you should subscribe to this channel right now. What is the bid price? Number one, because you want to learn all about trading and trading technology and not fall asleep and not get a headache. My videos make you smile and make you finally understand complex topics like no other. Number two, because rather than listen to me self-promote, you're going to take a look at what some of my viewers are saying about my videos. Don't take my word for it. The proof is in the pudding or the comments. With options, your entire
to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.
Options Greeks.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for.
So the fact that you're still watching this video, obviously you enjoyed it. That's very, very clear. And I applaud your efforts for taking the time to watch this video and try to learn something new. You're probably watching other free videos and websites and things like that. But I really, really urge you to take things a little bit more seriously. Not discount the information you've acquired through those methods, but really, really, really what you really want to do, click on the link in the description. Take my full course. With options, your entire strategy is based on what you think. I'm going to give you the fixed protocol. Options Greeks.
So what are the three shells in Unix? You have B shell, C shell, and K shell. So one of the first shells was Bourne shell, and it was named after Stephen Bourne.